Good morning, students. Today we will study the structure of the neuron. First of all, we will study the definition of neuron. Neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of nervous system. Our body is made up of 11 organ systems. Nervous system is one of the 11 organ systems. There are two main organs which are present in the nervous system. Those are brain and spinal cord. Nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord are made up of neurons and neuroglia cells. This is the structure of neuron. Here, what we see, these are dendrons. Dendrons carry action potential from the synaptic knobs of other neurons and carry it towards the cyton. Cyton process this information and then the information is amplified and forwarded towards the axon with the help of hillock. Here is this region contain hillock which amplify the action potential and forward it across the neurolemma of axon. When the action potential reaches this calcium ion channel open and then the calcium ion move inside the neuroplasm. The calcium ion help in the exocytosis of vesicle containing neurotransmitter. What happens when the action potential reaches here, the calcium ion channel opens and calcium moves inside. This calcium helps in the exocytosis of vesicle containing neurotransmitter. Then what happens? The exocytosis of vesicle release the neurotransmitter at the synapse. This is the diagram of neuron. You have to learn it and do practice in your home. Neuron is made up of two important parts. First is cyton. This part is cyton. Cyton is also known as perikaryon. This part is called axon. Axon and the branches which arise from the axon are called telodendrons. These are telodendrons. Telodendrons end in forming synaptic knobs. These bulb-shaped structures are called synaptic knobs. These synaptic knobs contain vesicle which are filled with chemical called neurotransmitter. Now, like cell contain cytoplasm and cell is covered by plasma membrane, we know that neuron is also a cell. In case of neuron is filled with neuroplasm. जैसे कि सेल में साइटोप्लाज्म होता है, उसी तरीके से न्यूरॉन में होता है न्यूरोप्लाज्म. न्यूरोप्लाज्म पूरे न्यूरॉन में फिल्ड रहता है और जिस तरीके की सेल, जैसे कि सेल कवर्ड रहती है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन से, उसी तरह से आपका न्यूरॉन कवर्ड रहता है न्यूरोलेम्मा से. द मेम्ब्रेन इज कॉल्ड न्यूरोलेम्मा and it is filled with neuroplasm and cell organelles like nucleus, neurofibril, nisyl granule, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi body, etc. However, centrosomes are absent in neuron. Because of this, neurons are not capable of doing cell division because centrosomes are absent. Okay, thank you.